Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So, a huge welcome to all of my new subscribers that have come over from other channels in response to my No Spend Till 2020 challenge. Hi, I'm so glad you're here. The response to that has just been amazing, and I'm blown away. I said that before, but it's making it so much easier for me to stick to it, knowing that I have a ton of friends, doing it with me. It makes it a lot less sad to not go and buy things. The Facebook group is amazing for that. So if you are taking part in the challenge and you have not joined the Facebook group yet, please go and do that. If you don't know what I'm talking about at all, you can go and watch the video where I described the challenge in detail. It is 2 videos before this one, and then the one right after that, right before this one, was a little bit of an update in response to some questions that I had come up. So anyway, enough about that. Today I am here to finally get started on my collaboration project with Dee Fargo. She is on YouTube under that name. I will link her below so you can go and check her out if you have not done so yet. We are both on the design team for Deb at Artzology. So this is, at least for me, this is also going to be my design team project for the month of September for Deb. And this was something that Dee and I talked about a very long time ago. And then life kind of happened for me especially, and we weren't able to do it last month. So we're doing it this month. And we weren't sure how we wanted to, do things in the beginning, and we were talking back and forth. And then she had this brilliant idea. Her kids got new phone screen protectors, and they came in these awesome metal, like tin things that it has like a sliding lid. And she had 2 of them. Perfect, right? Because we were talking about doing a collaboration. And she thought that we, could use these in a project and use the same kit that was designed by Deb and not tell each other anything else. So basically, all we know is that we're using this tin in some way, and we are using the same kits. So I'm going to show you those too. And then we are going to choose a date. Basically, Dee is just waiting for me patiently because she has already finished hers. And I am so excited to see what she did. But she is waiting for me to finish, and then we'll pick a date and we will upload our videos on the same day at the same hour, and then we'll be able to see each other's, and it'll be a surprise for us. So, as well as you. So it's super exciting. I cannot wait. And I've been so excited to just get my hands on this kit. Actually, there are 3 kits here, and get started on this. So I'm just kind of hyped up about it. So it took me this long since I got home from Florida. So today is Thursday. It took me Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, a little bit of Sunday, to get everything unpacked and put away. And I'm finally ready to actually craft. And I'm just kind of shaking because I'm in withdrawal from crafting. So, all right, let me show you the kits. So we're using this tin somehow, and I'm not going to tell you. I know what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to tell you because I don't want Dee to know. So it needs to stay secret until I get it finished. And then the first kit of Deb's that I am using is her alteration tags. This is a printable in her shop. I printed it at, let's see, I think it's 2, yes, it's 2 sheets. So the first sheet I printed at full size. So this is the full Let me just see if I can like stay in frame here. I'm so out of practice with this, guys. All right, so this is how it prints if you just print it the way it comes. This is how big they are. And then I printed on the back some of the background pages that come with the other kit, the main kit. So that's the size. And then the second page, I printed out 2 to a page. So they're a little smaller. And then same on the back. So that's the first kit, and I'll link all of these below. And then the second, I'll show you the main kit last. The second kit was Dee Dee's idea, and I'm so excited about it because I would never have thought of this. But this is Deb's Vintage Ladies, I believe that's what it's called, kit. And there are so many images of gorgeous ladies in here. And I'm not probably going to use them all. I say probably because if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I always get a little bit out of control. But look at how pretty these are. There are so many. And I just went ahead and printed them all out because I'm not sure how I'm going to use them or what I want to do with them yet. But yeah, so cool. Very, very excited about these. Now I don't remember where I started. I think I've gone through them all already. All right, so that, and then the main kit is Deb's kit. It's called Grandma's Sewing Basket, and I cannot wait. I have been wanting to do a sewing themed journal since I started making journals, so for like over a year now. And finally I'm getting around to it. So I'm going to show you the pages and some of I already cut out all of the ephemera pieces while I was in Florida, and I forgot to video, you know, what they looked like on the pages, but I'll show you a couple of those. So here are the journal pages. So let's see, there are 6 like main pages to the kit, and then there are, let me think, 3, 4, 7, I believe, background pages that are intended to be printed on the back sides. I actually printed the 6 intended front pages and 3 of the back pages as my main pages. And then 3 of the background pages are on the backs, and then 1 of the background pages I just printed out by itself because I'm going to use it for something else. So let me show you here this beautiful, beautiful image. I love it. You've got the quilting in the background, and then all the little bits and scissors and bobbins, and so cool. And then I have this on the background, on the back of that one. And then this one with that sewing machine, how gorgeous. And then this like sewing pattern background, very cool. And then this was actually one of the background pages, but I printed it as a main page. And then I've got this on the back. And then that again. Again, another background page, but I just loved that quilt. I mean, how pretty is that? I want that quilt, actually. I don't even know if it's a real quilt. Deb, you'll have to let me know if this was actually a quilt that you had and scanned or something, or if you just digitally designed that, because it is amazing. I really love that. I don't even know if you can digitally design that. I need to learn how to do that. I'm still working on it. It's on my list. This was also one of the background pages that I decided I wanted to be a main page. Look at how cool. I love this kit. It's just, it's open to so much because of all the colors and just, yeah. And guys, I have a pile of stuff ready to go in this journal. I can't, yeah, anyway. And then this was the one and lonely background page, or backside page, that I just printed by itself on cardstock. So I'm gonna do something else with that. And then she also includes some quotes to print, and I printed these onto avocado dyed paper. So they're just sewing quotes and such. So very cool there. And then there is actually an image that I did not print out because I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. so I can't show it to you. But it is a picture of a grandma at a spinning wheel, I believe, spinning some yarn. So I might print that out and I might not. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm not going to probably, well, if I film any of my process for this journal, I will not upload it until after the big reveal. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to film any of it. I want to. Things are just really crazy when you have a puppy. I never, ever in my wildest dreams could have guessed how much work a puppy is. And I love him absolutely to death, like one of my children. However, I can't get anything done when he's at home. He's just not ready to be like let out into the general population of our house. We are still spending our time in the kitchen with him. He did start going to puppy daycare while I was in Florida, and he loves it so much that I do take him. I have taken him 3 days this week. So because he loves it so much, I don't feel so bad about it, but then I'm able to get some work done. But you know, that costs money, and I'm really trying to not, spend money right now, even though I'm justifying that's expenditure because he loves it so much. But it does allow me to work. So but when I do have time to work, I need to really focus and work. And sometimes when I turn the camera on, I don't get as much done. So I'm not sure yet. That all of that babbling to say that I'm not sure if I will film any of the process or not. But I will try to come in here and there while I'm working on this regardless, with something, because I feel like I have neglected my subscribers, and I feel really bad about it. I want to do something and give you guys new content, and I feel like I'm really slacking in that. So I don't know. I'm gonna do my best. I might actually work on 2 journals at once so that I can film the one that doesn't have to be a surprise and give you some of those videos. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. We will learn together, because I really don't know what's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. I do know that Oscar is at daycare today, and he is having a fabulous time. So I am going to spend the next 3-ish hours working my hiney off to get some of this done before he gets home. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to show you the kit and show you, what I'm gonna be working with, because obviously this is not going to look like this ever again. It is gonna be completely different, and I just wanted to be able to show you, how it started out. So, all right, guys, I hope you are having a fabulous day. Again, if you want to go check out my challenge video, the giveaway attached to the challenge is open until the 16th of this month. You can join the challenge at any time, but the giveaway will close on the 16th. So go check that out, and check out Dee Dee's channel. She has a lot of fabulous things up on her channel. And I will talk to you guys next time. See you later. Bye.